Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can get this $15 no deposit bonus and how you can start trading with it. As you can see, I have gotten mine already, and I want you to know that this particular bonus is going to end soon. So as soon as you are seeing this video, ensure you are planning to get yours immediately so that you won't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. All right. So as you can see right here, I've been able to get mine and I am trading with it already. As you can see, shown on the screen, I can trade with it. All right. So I will show you the step-by-step process by which you can use to get your own and how you can start trading with it as well. Just follow me closely in this particular video so that you will not miss out. So right now, the first thing to do is to check the description. I will drop the link to get this particular bonus right there. And the link is going to direct you to my Telegram channel. So once you get to my Telegram channel, you find the link right there and then proceed. Now you see right here, after registering an account with them, using the link in the description, it is going to direct you right here. As you can see, we have the free $15 credit right here. All right. But the first thing you have to do after getting here is to head over to these three menu buttons showing at the top right here. This menu button showing right here. Click on it and go to accounts. And then you click on open live account. After clicking on open live account, then you select the kind of category. Select category, you select. So you select the Cato Prime MT5 right here. Select it, and after selecting, then you click on continue. All right, and right here as well, you select the MT5 standard account. All right, and after that, then you can check the leverage and every other thing you want to check, and then you click on the continue. All right, so after clicking on continue, you wait patiently for it to load, and details will be sent to your email address. As you can see right here, it has been created successfully, and the details is right here showing at the bottom, but I can't show you due to security reasons. So I've blurred out my password, and these are my details right here. Now let's proceed to getting the actual bonus. These are what you need to log into your MT5 so that you can start trading with this particular bonus. Now to get the bonus, just head over to, just scroll back up till you find something like this. As you can see right here, this is the coupon code we are going to use to get this bonus. And as you can see right here, it is starting from June 4 to June 5. So as soon as you are seeing this, ensure you go and get yours straight away because it is ending soon. So now just copy this coupon code right here that you are seeing right here. Copy it, and then that is what we'll be using to get this particular bonus. So now what you have to do is to click on this menu button again, and then click on vouchers and cashback right here, and then you wait for it to load. Now you just scroll down right here, and then you click on this gift icon shown right here. Click on the gift icon. After clicking on the gift icon, this is where you input your promo code. So just scroll up to see the promo code. You see right here, QE42M. So you come right here to input it. You input it right here. So after inputting it, then you click on the apply shown beside it. Click on apply. And as you can see right here, you select the account you have created. You select it. After selecting, then you click on the confirm redemption. Click on confirm redemption. And as you can see right here, funds disbursed. So you click on done. Now we've gotten the $15 bonus. All right. Now the next thing for us to do right now is to head over to our MT5 and start trading. As you can see right here, it has been credited. All right. So now for those of us that don't know how to log into MT5, I'll quickly show you how you can do that in the next few minutes. So this is the kind of message I got from them that is showing my login details. So I just copied my login ID and my password as well. I'll copy it and head over to my MT5 app. So after getting here, just find the broker, which is Cato Prime. Look for the broker, select it right here. You input your login ID right here and then your password right here. All right. So just input it, and after inputting everything, then you click on the login. So this is me after inputting mine. All I have to do is to click on login right here and wait for it to load. All right, so it has finished loading. Just go to the trade. As you can see right here, it has been credited in my account, and I can start trading with this particular bonus. I can start trading different pairs with this particular bonus. So this is how you can get this particular $15 no deposit bonus, and how you can start trading with it. All right, so I hope you are able to get your own particular bonus in this video. And if you have gotten yours, ensure you drop a comment saying you have gotten your own, so that other people can know that this is real and they can also get theirs as well. Don't forget, this is ending soon. Claim it as soon as you are seeing this video, so that you won't miss out on this wonderful opportunity. I'll see you in my next video, and have a nice day. Bye.